Hello guys, you can see this Dainese leather motorbike jacket. This jacket is made of premium quality co-hide leather. As you can see, best quality protections on shoulder, knees, best quality inner, ventilated inner. As you can see, here is the phone pocket. This one is attached zipper to pant with jacket. Original YKK zipper. For long lasting quality. Side pockets, as you can see. Here is the back side of the jacket. We have a big order about this product. Here is the Alpine style leather motorbike jacket suit. Here we are producing some other products, as you can see. Ferrari leather jacket. If you have any order or inquiry, please let me know. We will rush your desires in early response. Thanks to all my friends.